Hi children, welcome to Social Science class. Today we will see the book back exercise of History Unit 2, the Mughal Empire. First, choose the correct answer. First question, who introduced the Persian style of architecture in India? Option A, Humayun, B, Babur, C, Jahangir, D, Akbar. The answer is B, Babur. Second question, in which battle did Akbar defeat Rana Pratap? Option A, Panipat, B, Chausa, C, Haldigatti, D, Kannauj. The answer is C, Haldigatti. Third question, whose palace in Delhi was destroyed by Sher Shah? Option A, Baba, B, Humayun, C, Ibrahim Lodi, D, Alam Khan. The answer is option B, Humayun. Fourth question, who introduced Mansabdari system? Option A, Sher Shah, B, Akbar, C, Jahangir, D, Shah Jahan. The answer is option B, Akbar. Fifth question, who was the revenue minister of Akbar? Option A, Birbal, option B, Raja Bhagwan Das, option C, Raja Dodarmal, D, Raja Mansingh. The answer is Raja Dodarmal. Next, fill in the blanks. First question, Das was the name of the house of Rana Pratap. The answer is Chetak. Second question, Das was a hall of Fatehpur Chikri where scholars of all religions met for a discourse. The answer is Ibadat Khana. Third question, the Sufi saint who received Akbar's utmost respect was Das. The answer is Salim Chishti. Fourth question, during the reign of Das, the Sabdi system was extended to the Deccan provinces. The answer is Shah Jahan. The fifth question, Das were tax-free lands given to scholars and religious institutions. The answer is Suyavurgal. Next, match the following. First question, Baba. The answer is Chanderi. Second, Durga Devi. The answer is Central Province. Third one, Rani Chand Baby. The answer is Ahmednagar. Fourth one, Deen Ilahi. The answer is Akbar. The fifth one, Raja Mansingh. The answer is Jaipur. Next, true or false? First question, Baba inherited Fargana, a small kingdom in Central Asia. True. Second one, Humayun succeeded in recapturing Delhi in 1565. The answer is false. Third one, Aurangzeb married a girl of a notable Rajput family. The answer is false. Fourth one, Jahangir ordered execution of Sikh leader Guru Arjun for helping his son Khusru. The answer is true. Fifth one, during Aurangzeb's reign, architecture received much patronage. The answer is false. Next, consider the following statements. Take the appropriate answer. First question, assertion A, the British established their first factory at Surat. Reason R, Jahangir granted trading rights to the English. The answer is R is the correct explanation of A. Second, assertion A, Aurangzeb's intolerance towards other religions made him unpopular among people. Reason R, Aurangzeb reimposed the jizya and pilgrim tax on the Hindus. The answer is A. R is the correct explanation of A. Third question, find out the correct statements. Kamran was the son of Afghan noble Hasan Suri, ruler of Sasaram in Bihar. Second one, Akbar abolished the jizya poll tax on non-Muslims and the tax on Hindu pilgrims. Third one, Aurangzeb acceded the throne after killing his three brothers. Fourth one, Prince Akbar entered into a pact with Shivaji's son Sambhuji in the Deccan. The answer is option B. 2, 3 and 4 are correct answers. Fourth question, arrange the battles in chronological order. Battle of Kanwa, Battle of Chanderi, Battle of Chausa, Battle of Kannauj. The fifth question, arrange the following administrative divisions in descending order. Sabas, Sarkas, Barganas. Next one, match the father and son. Akbar. Akbar's son Jahangir, Daulat Khan Lodi's son Dilwar Khan, Hasan Suri's son Sher Shah, Babar's son Humayun, Uday Singh's son Rana Pratap. Then give short answer. First question, write the circumstance that led to the Battle of Panipat in 1526. Babur led his first expedition towards India. He did not have any ambition beyond Punjab till 1524. Dilwar Khan, who was Daulat Khan Lodi's son, and Alam Khan, who was the uncle of Sultan of Delhi, arrived in Kabul to seek Babur's help in removing Ibrahim Lodi from power. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the famous Battle of Panipat in 1526. Second question, mention the Humayun recapture the Delhi throne in 1555. As per Babur's will, and accordingly Humayun's brothers Kamran, Hindal and Akshari got a province each. Yet each of the brothers aspired for the throne of Delhi. Sher Shah defeated Humayun and at Chauza 1539 and again at Kannauj. Humayun died in 1556 when he fell down in stairs of his library in Delhi. Third question, write a note on Mansabdari system. Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system. Mansabdar rank was dependent on Zat and Sawar. The former indicated one's status. Sawar was the number of horses and horsemen he had to maintain. His salary was fixed on the basis of the number of soldiers each Mansabdar received, ranking from 10 to 10,000. Their horses were branded to prevent theft. The emperor could use the troops maintained by the Mansabdar whenever he wished.